Hi, I'm Julia. The study I found was protein intake at breakfast promotes a positive whole body protein balance in a dose response manner in healthy children, a randomized trial. I chose this study because I'm a nutrition and dietetics major and I'm interested in pediatrics nutrition. So, this study determined the effect of incremental doses of milk protein at breakfast and the effect of daily dietary protein distribution on net protein balance. So, net protein balance is the difference between muscle protein synthesis and muscle protein breakdown. The two intervention trials were completed by 28 children, so 14 were girls and 14 were boys, and they were ages 7 through 11, and their mean body mass was 16 with a standard deviation of 1.9. The children were divided into groups A through D. So Group A received 0 grams of protein at breakfast, Group B received 7, C received 21, or 14, and D received 21. And this was to measure the whole body protein metabolism. So the results showed that in the morning following an overnight fast, the children were in negative net protein balance. And increasing a consumption of protein for breakfast showed that there was an increase in net protein balance over the next 9 hours. And consuming specifically at least 7 grams of milk-based protein at breakfast, along with carbohydrates, showed a decrease in overnight protein losses that were initially observed during the 9 hours following breakfast consumption. And so again, this shows that there was indeed an increase in net protein balance when you're consuming protein at breakfast. So I chose to describe figure 3. So this is figure 3. And this shows that group D had higher protein synthesis than group A. So group A is here and group D is here. And so group A was the group that received 0 grams of protein, and group D was the group that received 21 grams of protein at breakfast. So net protein balance, which is the dark one, also increased as protein consumption at breakfast increased. So this figure suggests that an increase in protein consumption at breakfast will lead to both an increase in protein synthesis and an increase in net protein balance, which makes sense because net protein balance, like I said, is the difference between muscle protein synthesis and muscle protein breakdown. So my discussion question would be, what would you recommend a child to eat for breakfast to increase their net protein balance? Thanks.